Welcome to this tutorial on how to send crypto from Revolut to an external wallet. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the necessary knowledge to securely transfer your cryptocurrencies. First, you need to have a Revolut account with a cryptocurrency wallet and an external wallet to receive the funds. Ensure that your Revolut account is verified and you have completed any necessary security checks. To initiate the transfer, open the Revolut app and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Select the type of cryptocurrency you want to send, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click on the Send option. Next, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is the public address of your external wallet where you want to receive the funds. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. You will also need to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. You can choose to send a fixed amount or a percentage of your available balance. Be aware that Revolut may charge a small fee for the transaction, which will be deducted from the amount you send. Before confirming the transaction, review the details carefully, including the recipient's address, the amount, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to be transferred. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions can take some time to process, depending on the network congestion and the speed of the transaction. You can track the status of your transaction using a blockchain explorer or by checking your external wallet. Finally, once the transaction is complete, you should see the funds reflected in your external wallet. It is crucial to keep your wallet and Revolut account secure, using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to protect your assets. By following these steps, you can easily send crypto from Revolut to an external wallet. Remember to always prioritize security and double-check the transaction details to avoid any errors. With this knowledge, you can confidently manage your cryptocurrencies and take control of your financial freedom.